Hey friends, welcome back to the channel.
Too classy for this world. Forever I'm that girl. Need you diamonds and pearl. Oh baby, I'm too classy to be touched. I pick them all and dust. I'm stingy with my love. Oh baby, you are.
So I am going to All-Star Weekend in Vegas. Y'all, Vegas again. I have to start telling people no. Like, Vegas is getting out of control, and I know for a fact y'all are tired of seeing me in Vegas, but this time I feel like it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different. I'll just say that. I don't know if you guys know what the WNBA All-Star Weekend consists of, but I'm gonna show you. So pretty much this vlog is gonna be me prepping for the trip, like nails, hair, packing, outfits, stuff like that. And my nail appointment is actually in 2 minutes. They're done. Black, what? Okay, it's a special occasion, so it called for some special nails. So cute. That's all I had for today. Tomorrow, I should be getting a couple packages so that I can start packing and getting my outfits together. I will check back in with you guys whenever my packages get here. So I'll talk to you guys when they get here. Y'all, so I had to go to Ulta really quickly. I walked in there for some, let me show y'all. I walked in there for these satin wrap flexi rods, but I left with my hair like straightened a little bit. I wanted to get my hair straightened with 1 or 2 passes because I am getting a protective style in a couple days, and I honestly didn't feel like straightening it. I wanted to just hit it one time so it could be more manageable, because it just being blown out, it doesn't really work for me. I'm so tender-headed that it's just better when it's just more tamed like this. So like I said, I came there for some flexi rods because I saw this little style I wanted to do for some little waves while my hair is in this state, and then I was like, you know what, let me just get my hair straightened while I'm here. But I also went to Nordstrom because I needed some more sandals. I had these sandals before, but I broke them. Some Toy Bird sandals. These are like my go-to sandals. So freaking cute. I got a couple packages delivered at the house for some clothes, so I'm gonna head there now and we're gonna try some stuff on because I need to pack. Good morning. Y'all, look at this hair. I put some flexi rods in it and some setting spray. It's cute. But I'm on my way to get my lashes done. So a couple of items came in, but I am getting the rest of it today. So I figured I would wait until everything got here before I recorded anything and tried anything on. So my other clothes will get here today. There is a package that says that it's not gonna get here. I'm so sad about it, but I'm just gonna make the best of it. I'm gonna make what I have work, literally because I have no choice because I leave tomorrow. So let's get my lashes done. I need to fill. Only thing I have to do today is get my lashes done and pack. So super light day, try on my clothes, and then that'll be it.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, what you trusted, I mean I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when
my seat. So we're about to go. I made it. I wouldn't be me if I didn't almost miss my flight. But I'm here and I'm about to get my hair braided and I'm so excited.
Fuck that, hold up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, but you on a plane, taking your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean.